Okay, so we're going to review. Oh, I didn't like that. No, we're going to kill that. I'm going to click on that. And we're going to review local LM chat for Visual Studio. Let's have a look what we're dealing with here. So it's secure chat with local LM. It looks like you've got your box there. It looks pretty cool. Read solution, integration, file create. File lets AI create complete files based on your requirements. Built-in slash commands, read a file path, read list. Workspace installation. From source. Option A, using Ollama AI. It's Ollama.com now, so it's a bit different. Configuring Visual Studio, tools, options, local, general, URL, model, example of Ollama configuration. Alright. Analyzing code. Can you explain how this controller works and suggest improvements? Exploring the project. What is the architecture of this project? Da 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 da. I like the fact that they've got a lot of extensive. Marcus Biguero has a lot of extensive documentation, which is really, really important when you're dealing with extensions. But let's see how local LM chat works. So go tools. You can see, wow, there's a lot of. So there's his chat, and we'll throw it in here, just on the side, and we'll have a look at how it looks. Let's just find some bit of code like this bit here. That'll do. Local LM chat. Enter to send. Shift enter for new line. / help for the commands. So let's just do a / help. We'll send that. Read path, list directory, search, pattern, workspace, help. Okay. Conversation cleared. So go back in the tools. We can open the chat, send file to chat, send active. Okay, I can do all those things. So let's see what we can configure in it. Options. And it is called, just looking it up, local LM chat. So we're looking down here, and you can see it's just got a general settings, general API token, local host, Quinn Cloud. Why is the token so short? Well, I'm just going to, well, actually, let's just see what happens. I'll just move that out of the way if I'm allowed to. No, I'm not. Anyway, you can see here in the window, without prompt, request timeout, temperature, maximum tokens pretty small, and I'm using Quinn. And if we look down the bottom, API authentication, any dummy value, that's why it explains that value. Okay, so we'll just close that off. We'll do a similar thing we did earlier. We'll probably have a drag and drop into the box. Yeah, you can do that. explain this code. Now remember, we're using the same model for the explanation, so we'll expect a similar thing. What I'm looking for is that the thing actually works. That was pretty quick, no mucking around. It's pretty summatic. Can you highlight the text? Can you copy it? Yes, you can copy it with a right click, so that's kind of cool and quick. However, so what I want to see, if I have to just manually select it, it's kind of, there it goes. There's no indication of whether the large language model is doing anything. That's interesting. Create a drag drop handler. Nah, don't want to do that. God, it's just gone ballistic. It might be useful. I mean, it's using complicated thingo. If I look at my code, where is it? Oh, I've lost track of it. Yeah, if I look at my code, it could be useful, but I'm not going to deal with it now. Oh, look, it does have a copy thing for the code. Oh, that's good. I like that, because back here, yeah, so it does have a copy code for the code. The other insert, send actors file to chat, send file to chat, clear conversation. Let's see the conversation clear. Doesn't do crap. So if we go tool, local, clear conversation, please use the clear button. Why would you put it as a menu option? That's just silly. It's just silly, just more complicated guff. Okay, so let's just have a quick look at local LLM. See if we can glean anything else from the built-in slash. We can yeah, it is what it is. I don't think there's anything else that I can get out of this. Maybe we can have a look at the question and answer. I'll see what kind of question and answers have been asked. No question and answers. I don't know why he said it's brilliant. It's okay. UI feels native. I love it. Works seamlessly in Ollama, OpenAI. Well, it does work with Ollama. It's provided you configure it correctly. All right. Well, that's that. And remember to like and follow. And I'll be posting more extensions, but this probably does a little bit more than the other extensions in that it was able to write a lot of code, but I don't know if it would. Well, there's only one reference to this section of code, but I really wonder if it would be able to like take all the code in my file and consolidate all the drag enters, because I've got a lot of drag enters, for example. It's possible, but I don't want to try it because it's just a lot of work. It said local LLM stop responding for 14 seconds. That's just something to note. Apart from that, I think that's it. Okay.